ametenda maajabu. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, wherever you are. We have got more mail. And this is going to be a short session because today I do not have so much to talk about. I just want to react to the mail that we got 2 days ago. And this is a mail building on what we had last week. Last week we talked about heavenly bodies, and I gave examples and sentences and blah, blah, blah. And guess what? Somebody saw the work that we did, and they were doing some research. They happened to have been doing some research, and they came across some heavenly bodies and things that we may not have touched. And I thank them so very much. So this is going to be one of the videos that just adds onto the body of work that we've already done from last week, okay? But before we move on, I want to start by thanking our sponsors. There are people who are working, how you call it? They're working beyond, they're going beyond, above and beyond, just to ensure that we are able to be online every day and to be able to post videos. Now, if you want to be a sponsor, you can always go to the Luo English Dictionary website, the Luo English Dictionary on YouTube, and then click on the join button. See this join button here? You just click on join, and there are 3 ways to join. You can join as a bronze member. Bronze members pay $1.99 a month. Then silver members pay $4.99 a month, and gold have pay $9.99 a month. Now, what do we do with the money? We are planning to develop content for the children for this series, so that children can also learn what all this that we are learning. Children learn in a very exciting environment. They don't like what we do. Like they don't like this the way I do, like the work in straight up like this is the work. No, children want cartoon characters, children want action, they want animation and stuff like that. And in order to do that, I need to either look at prospects of giving someone to help us develop the animated characters, or to buy software to do that, and I cannot be able to afford. So if you join us, even by giving just $1.99, which is only 200 Kenya shillings, then guess what? Your grandchild may benefit from this series one day. You never know. So thank you so much. If you are planning to join us, please click on the join button in the Luo English Dictionary channel, and then you'll be able to enjoy. Right, so let's go back, and these are our current sponsors. Thank you so very much, our current sponsors: Adam Otieno, we have Grace Report, we have Shana Henry, we have Ruth Kamau, we have Gia Wanyambu, we have Jane Mapelu, we have Steve Abasa, and we have Atien O. So these are our current sponsors. Thank you so much, guys, for always keeping us in your mind. Good, so let's move on. And the mail says, the mail came from William Obonyo. William Obonyo, and it says, I would like to add to your video on heavenly bodies. And I would like to add to your videos on heavenly bodies and climate issues. I got the below from a research paper online. So someone has been doing research on heavenly bodies, and they posted their work online, and William just happened to have passed by and got it. So this is what he added to the body of works. There are types of stars. This was a table. This is table 3.3 for that research work, and the first one is Oluorobodo. I don't know if it's Oluorobodo or Oluorobodo. Oluorobodo, and it shines in a bright reddish manner from east to west and sets at 8 a.m. Present almost daily. I'm thinking this sets at 8 a.m. is meant for the African context, Kenyan context, you know. I don't know whether it's meant for everybody else, because where I am, if you say it sets at 8 a.m., it maybe I'm on the east side, on the west side, you know, things like that. So I'm thinking that this research was for stars or galaxy bodies that were uh, visible from the Kenyan sky. Then there is Ratego and Ongolo. Ratego and Ongolo. And they're saying bright and bigger, exist in twos or threes. Rises from the east and then it rises at 3 a.m. So at 3 a.m., Ebu go and tomorrow 3 a.m., you go to the east, check whether you can be able to see this Ratego or Ongolo. Okay? Then number 3 is Yungni. Yungni. Nang Abo, thank you for liking the stream. Thank you so much. And this 0 on your screen, you see the 0 on the left that is, it is scrolling. That 0 is the number of people who have subscribed when I'm online. So please make sure the number changes, guys. Then there is Yungni. It says, Yungni also means shaky. And Yungni in Luo means shaky. And they're saying, shaky, very bright, comes in pairs of threes. I don't know whether it's bright and big exists in twos or threes. And this one is shaky, very bright, comes in pairs of threes. Then it's from east to west. And it is seen in May, June, and July during the day. Then there is Bar Owor. Bar Owor indicates transition between the night and morning. Oh, bar is like separating. Bar Owor indicates transition between the night and the morning from east to west, seen immediately after sunset every day. So today during sunset, go look for Bar Owor and then bring us your results, okay? Go look for Bar Owor and bring us your results. So this is one of the tables that my friend gave us. Grace Kinda, asante sana for liking the stream. Thank you so very much, Grace. The second table is the winds. Remember we did a lot of winds last time, but now, and I must confess, I have never heard of these winds, apart from the last one, which is Genya. So the rest I've never heard. Number 1, they said is Tarai, and it is dry winds. And they said the direction they move is towards the east from 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. Tarai, dry winds, 9 p.m. to 11 a.m. Then the next one is Kus and Kasikasi. Kus or Kasikasi. Of course, I've never heard of these, okay? Then from west to east, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Then the third one is Marimbe. Marimbe has stronger winds from the northwest to southeast. From the northwest to southeast. And they move from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they are twice a month. Obtala Onyango, Wachuni, thank you for the session. I'm in. Erokamano, Mr. Onyango. Then there is Genya. Genya is very strong and destructive winds. They move from southwest to northeast. And they move as from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m., mostly experienced in August. So these are the types of winds that they have. And as I've said, I did not know about most of them. So I'm very, very appreciative. And I usually share what I get. So if you have something out there and you feel that people can benefit from the knowledge, Please just share it with us, because this is a repository of knowledge that someone will come in after 10 years and just look through and find something that is valuable to them. So this is just under 10 minutes that we've been online, and this is what I wanted to say today. I'll stay for a minute or two in case you have any questions. In case you want to say hi, please just say hi, and once you say hi, we should be able to discuss. Okay, so just say hi when you want to say hi, Yomera. And I'm just trying to look for the works that we had before. Now, tomorrow I will be doing something on translation of simple sentences. That's a very famous, work. People like the translations because they kind of want to connect. They kind of want to connect to the language. So tomorrow I will be doing translation of simple sentences, and then again, I'm trying to ensure that our clubhouse is functional. So if you want to run our clubhouse, if you want to be an admin, please join Clubhouse. Look for Doluo language, and then you'll be able to join so that you can be an admin. We can start looking for people to help us start developing conversation. Because the problem is I am only one person, man. Very difficult to develop conversation. So sometimes I sit in Clubhouse by myself, and then I'm like, no, I give up and leave. Okay. And then someone is like, oh, I was there, and then I just came on your left. So if you're in Clubhouse, if you want to benefit from Clubhouse, and that is the good thing about Clubhouse, is we can discuss, and we can always come up with ideas. So Clubhouse, we are called Doluo, DHOLOU. Just search for that in Clubhouse, and then you can join the group, and you can send me a back channel in Clubhouse. Tell me you want to be a member, you want to be an admin, you want to start running the room. That way we can usually consult you, and it also has the same logo that we're using for the Luo language, so it should be easy to get. Okay, it's called Luo, the Luo Lan Luo, the Luo Lan Luo. Let me see if I can see camera. If you can see the camera, okay, that is Clubhouse. I don't know whether that camera is not very good. That's a nasty camera. But if you can see that Luo Lan Luo or the Luo in Clubhouse, just join, and then we shall be able to make you an admin so that we can start having discussions in there. These are live discussions. It's easier than YouTube. That's why I prefer it. And with those few remarks, I would like to see you guys tomorrow when we talk about simple sentences. Riti Masani, and God bless you. Unaweza